I slept like a normal human being last night, and I am feeling pretty good today. I did, however, wake up a little bit later than I wanted to, but that's okay. We got out of bed and we got the day rolling. I stepped on the scale. I'll share a weigh-in with you guys in just a few. I put some finishing touches on my Grinch video, got that uploaded, and then proceeded to work out. So it's safe to say I've been pretty productive today, and we're gonna keep the ball rolling, keep up with the theme of reset, recharge, and rein in the chaos, because I have been being a bit chaotic lately, and I'll talk about that in a moment, but but right now let's go ahead and pop that weigh-in on the screen. So I did lose a little bit of weight this week. My portion sizes have been on top of it. I haven't been overeating really, but my nutrition has not been it. It's not been it at all. I did end up opting for the quick and dirty option about 3 times this week. Got Chick-fil-A once, Taco Bell, and then breakfast burritos. And I have not been on top of my hydration or getting enough fruits or vegetables in. And I definitely feel the lack of nutrition in my body because it just has not been, I just don't feel as good. You know what I mean? I've been still doing my workouts. I haven't been doing them on the days that I've intended to do them though. Like I end up just like making them up but still doing the same amount in a week. So it's okay, but it's like still I'm kind of faltering in some way. But I mean, it's okay. Like you got to be flexible. But yeah, I've just been keeping extremely busy. And I think that's partly to do with, you know, the holiday season. I've expressed quite a few times that I don't really feel the best during this time of year. And so distractions have been extremely beneficial. Also talking to my therapist, just kind of venting and like getting it out and having someone unbiased to listen to you. And that's why I'm super excited that this video is sponsored by BetterHelp. I've been using BetterHelp for quite a while now, and they just fit so perfectly into my life with as far as like convenience, and I'm super happy with my current therapist. BetterHelp is not a crisis line, it's not self-help, it's professional therapy done securely online. If there's something interfering with your happiness or preventing you from achieving your goals, BetterHelp can assess your needs and match you with your own licensed professional therapist. And you can start communicating within as little as 48 hours. They have a broad range of expertise in their 20,000 plus therapist network, which locally may not be available in many areas with traditional therapy, but with BetterHelp, it's available worldwide. The app is easy to use, and in addition to scheduling weekly video or phone calls, you can log in anytime and send a message to your therapist and get a timely, thoughtful response. You're never going to have to sit in an uncomfortable waiting room as with traditional therapy. My absolute favorite thing is that BetterHelp wants to ensure a great therapeutic match, so if for whatever reason you want to switch therapists, it's free and easy to do so. Not to mention they're more affordable than traditional offline therapy, and they have financial aid options available. BetterHelp wants you to start living a happier life today. So if you're interested in becoming like the over 1 million people taking charge of their mental health with the help of an experienced professional, you could go ahead and visit betterhelp.com/Beatrice. That's better, HELP. Also, as a special offer, if you use my link, you get 10% off your first month of therapy. A big thanks again to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. Now let's do some self-care in the form of getting my life together. Let's go to the grocery store before it gets dark so I have some food to make better decisions this week. And then we need to clean because, oh my God, this place is a sty. Douglas, what is this about? I looked at the back kitchen window just now and then I saw like a little glint of red. Behind the trees in my backyard was the Santa hat that I've been looking for an eternity and had a mental breakdown over, sir. He didn't eat it. It's just really spitty and gross. I have never felt more betrayed in my whole entire life. Okay, I made it back home. It's already dark outside, which kind of sucks. I'll show you what I got, and I want to kind of taste test a few things. We've got a couple of yams, some deli meat, just mesquite smoked turkey, shaved Parmesan. Can't live without this stuff. I honestly love it so much. Just like opening up the fridge and getting like a little tendril as a snack. It's very satisfying for some reason. I think because it has such a strong flavor. Bag of green beans, some spinach, a little bit bougie, and got a smattering of goat cheese. Again, really love a strong cheese flavor. I was really looking forward to having this with some fig jam that I picked up, but unfortunately it was a casualty of the car. I dropped the jar as I opened the trunk, and currently it's splattered all over the driveway, so. Will not be having any goat cheese and jam, unfortunately. But goat cheese is still good. Got an English cucumber. Does anyone know why they shrink wrap these and not regular cucumbers? That's always been weird to me, but I feel like these are extra crispy. I found this tea to try. It has like real chamomile flowers. It looked, again, a little bit bougie. Very excited about this. I love chamomile tea. You guys always roast me for drinking in the morning, but I'm on Adderall. Leave me alone. Also, while we're on the subject of tea, you guys absolutely roasted me in the Adele video for drinking tea the wrong way. Like, how do you guys drink tea? I don't understand. We got some green olives stuffed with garlic, some bananas. And then for dinner, I felt like we would have like a little bit of a fajita moment. So I went ahead and picked up some chicken, got some bell peppers, some avocados in various stages of ripeness. One ready to go. The other one will be ready in a few days. Sour cream is the dream. And some tortilla chips. I also picked up this kombucha just because I liked the packaging. So I'm interested in trying this. We'll do a little bit of taste test of this and the olives. It's probably going to taste like booty together, but I'm honestly really curious. I was going to do a taste test with the goat cheese and the fig jam, but can't do that now. Okay, I'm not really sure what order to try these foods in to have the best experience because I feel like either way, they're not going to pair well. So the one that comes after will be nasty. You know what? Let's go for tea first and then drink of water and then olives. Shaky, shaky. Mother. Oh, I forgot it's fermented. Well, that sucks. I got it all over my pillow pet. It smells like straight vinegar. Oh, I bought this at Walgreens the other day when I just went in to buy some nail clippers. And now he smells like vinegar. Why is this my life? It's my own fault. I'm a little bit of a dummy. Keeping on doing it. Okay, okay.
To hell. Now we're all in here.
This is supposed to be pomegranate flavored. It's actually not too bad. It tastes a little bit like apple cider vinegar, and normally that makes me gag, but it's not enough to matter. Okay, it's all the time. These are really good. They're like salty, satisfying. They have a lot of umami taste. I have this idea that a lot of diet foods, the reason why they're not satisfying is because they strip out everything in the recipe that has some kind of like umami factor to it. So even if you're full, you're not like spiritually satisfied. I don't know. So I love keeping things around that have super strong flavors. When I'm having one of those days where I just can eat constantly, like all day long, I'll typically get in the fridge, have an olive or like a little slap of cheese, and it will satisfy me enough just because the flavors are so strong, because you can't really eat a ton of this. I can eat maybe like 2, 3, and then I'm satisfied. So I don't know if that's like a little tip or a hack, but it's just something that I kind of noticed. Now let's go ahead and get some chicken fajitas going. This avocado was masquerading as a ripe one, but really, it was not. I love building little fajita nachos. I don't really know what the hell is up with this ring light, but it's killing me. Killing me. It really was doing something for the lighting though. Oh well. You don't need good lighting to tell that I'm enjoying my food. How long do you want to struggle to watch me make nachos individually? I love tortilla chips, but like they just wreck the corners of my mouth. I feel the same way about nachos as I do with sushi, where like you have to eat it all in one bite. Like you can't just like take one single bite of sushi. It's sacrilegious. Same thing with nachos. You gotta fit the entire chip in your mouth to get like the whole experience, you know what I mean? You gotta get like a little bit of everything and get it all in one go. Like look at that. It looks like shit, but it's gonna taste delicious. Okay, I'm gonna pop in my ear pods. I'm gonna throw on some jams. Some slow jams. Just kidding. They're probably going to be fast hype jams. Maybe Hall & Oates. You know, some you make my dreams come true. That would be good montage music. I'm looking at my lens right now and it has like speckles of like grease splatter. I don't know if that's registering on camera though. And also, how is it not? Come here, little baby. Better or worse? But I think it will drastically make me feel better about my current situation. Also, I still have my pumpkins. They're just not rotting. Is that normal? So I'm kind of doing like a little bit of a baby science experiment, just keeping them for as long as they take to rot. At work, I have a COVID apple. It's a green apple that's been in my desk since the beginning of COVID. That was just left there. And then we didn't go into the office for a really long time. And then I came back and it was just like mummified. And now I made like a little shelf for it out of foam core. And I stuck it on my cubicle wall with like a little tag that says COVID apple, April 2020 to present. And it's like slowly just shrinking and shrinking and shrinking. And I think it will just disappear one day. It's actually really exciting. And I show everyone that comes into the office and they probably think that I'm weird. But I'm really proud of it actually. Anyways, let's clean.
A potato flew around my room before you came, excuse.
No. Me and Dougie Beans are gonna edit a little bit, send some emails. My CPA also wanted information from me for end of year tax purposes. And that was 2 days ago, so we probably should take care of that. So anyway, I'm just gonna wrap up the end of the night with some business. But anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching and coming along with me today as I was being responsible. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and if you want to subscribe and hit that notification bell, all that stuff really helps with the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!